Thank you for letting us present to these people. My name is Spencer. This is my partner, Leon, and our project was Decrypt, which was an AI emotion interpreter. Okay, so emotion is a fundamental component in all of our daily interactions, from every single encounter, from like even waving to someone on the street to a one-on-one interview with your boss, will always call upon a person's emotional sense. But this sense is significantly dulled by certain disorders such as autism or Asperger's. And this year, even normal people are having some trouble identifying emotions due to the lack of physical interactions due to the pandemic. Emotional misinterpretation, just like this, can often lead to spoiled relationships, opportunities, and overall lives, right? So, additionally, current treatments to these disorders do not guarantee concrete results very easily, and we will talk about that later in the slides. So as of 2015, 15% or 31 million people are affected by some sort of emotional disorder in the US alone. And this is something we have to, um, we want to help this problem.
So as you see here, this trend is only for autism. And from 1975 to 2009, the probability of autism increased from 1 in 5,000 to 1 in 110. And you can see here that this is a massive growth and it doesn't seem to be slowing down. And that means that this is a serious problem that we need to address. Introducing our solution, Decrypt, an extremely versatile program that can be used in a multitude of places for daily use, helping those affected notice and interpret emotions.
Oops. All right, so we use a combination of OpenCV, Python, Keras, and TensorFlow to build this project. As you can see on the left-hand side, our model will annotate the inputted video, drawing a box around the detected face, and then writing the identified emotion on the top left corner. So here's a demo of like a video we found on YouTube. And as you can see, it can display a wide variety of emotion. Right. And so we basically made this with 4 different components. The first one, we used a CNN model because of its spatial coherence, and it's really fit for image classification. The second, we used max pooling layers, which were really compatible with CNN layers to downscale the image and to prevent something called overfitting. And then the third one, we use an atom optimizer, which just overall smoothens things up and to effectively optimize our weights. And then the last one, we use softmax, and softmax just allows us to output a probability for each emotion, so we can know which emotion has the highest probability.
So as for now, current solutions cannot guarantee concrete results. And these solutions may take years to actually show results or even turn out to not work at all. For example, medications have been used, but also has a multitude of side effects, such as excessive sleep, irritation, and others. And dietary approaches are another solution, but alterations to someone's diet can cause a downfall in overall functioning. Decrypt can simplify daily interactions by allowing those with mental disorders to respond correctly and effectively to others' emotions. This also improves social skills and social competence as well, and therefore opening up more pathways and opportunities to them later in life. And by fostering stronger and closer relationships to improve confidence, their overall productivity is also boosted along with their creativity. As a society with an overall more capable and efficient workforce, Decrypt can further cultivate innovation. So in summary, millions in the world population experience emotional recognition problems, and Decrypt can significantly lessen the burden of broken relationships and connections for the people with autism or Asperger's syndrome. By allowing them to accurately gauge emotions while helping them interpret each emotion, Decrypt can simplify a multitude of person-to-person relationships every single day.
And yeah, that's our project.